Billy's got him some dill pickle bread here. You can see the dill pickles in it. And he's going to make some grilled cheese. Putting him some butter on his bread. Show you how to make the perfect grilled cheese.
Oh, I put that one on the wrong side.
Well, almost the perfect grilled cheese.
Because this is the heel. And I like the heel.
Look at all that butter.
Oh, yeah, you get to have lots of butter. That's what I'm talking about right there.
Putting this cheese on there. And this other bread. Now we wait.
Dill pickle bread, grilled cheese. It'd be the perfect grilled cheese.
With your dill pickle bread.
Dill pickle bread.
We like dill pickles with our grilled cheese, so
combine the two.
May not have to have any dill pickles on the side.
You shouldn't have to.
All right. Flipped her over. Look at that. Look at that butter sizzling down in there.
That looks perfect. That's how I like it right there.
And guys, we have that up over the window just because it's too light. The sunshine coming in. It's too light. Everything looks fuzzy. Look at that cheese melted in there. All right, he's ready to try his dill pickle grilled cheese.
Mm.
Look good? Can you taste the difference? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
With
it
the heat.
tastes like you're eating a dill pickle with it.
Oh, that's what we like.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's the
You will
bread.
like this.
And there's the dill pickle bread. And we got to try that now. I think that's a yay.
Mm.
Guys, if you want
Try this bread, guys.
You want the recipe for this dill pickle bread, I will try to link it on this one. It's on our YouTube channel.
Yeah. Go back and watch the video on the making the bread.
On how to make the bread, and then he just made the grilled cheese out of it. Yum.
So good.
Peace out, guys. Have a great day.